how to change your server in Foundation Galactic Frontier. So what you're gonna have to do is go to the top left corner of your screen, which is basically your profile. Then once you're there, you'll be able to see the settings option. So in your settings, just go ahead and press that first, of course. Then go to your account, and in accounts, make sure you've already binded the current progress you have so that you don't lose any progress that you already have, of course. Then just go ahead to the characters over here. So you gotta put in mind that in every server you will only be able to create one character. So if you go ahead and switch a new server, that means a new character and new progress as well. But you can just go ahead and switch to whichever character you have. So press on create a new character, then just go ahead and choose your server. Once you choose your server, you can go ahead and start up your new character in that new server. But that's pretty much how you change servers in Foundation Galactic Frontier. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.